Number 1.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.
Hi Kickstarters, I'm Joe.
I'm Chadwick.
We're excited to be back here with our newest project, the Titanium Pocket Tool.
It's a cool multi-tool that combines our favorite tools into one, and it doesn't take hardly any space in your pocket. Thanks for checking it out.
Thanks for watching the video and sharing with your friends. If you have any questions, please send us a message. We'll be happy to get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.
Thank you.
Number 2.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Number 3.
Fasteners, bolts, screws, clamps. All of your outdoor gear has them. And as your gear has become ever lighter, ever more high-tech, made from carbon, titanium, aluminum, we've moved ever closer to the limits of these fasteners and the materials they're used on. Meet T-Ratchet and Tie Torque, the first multi-configurable, portable tool system with high-precision torque measurement, designed for use with your high-performance gear. Hi, I'm Josh, owner of Silka, coming to you from the assembly floor of our Indianapolis headquarters. Before Silka, I spent 15 years designing some of the world's highest technology, lightweight cycling components. As these components became ever lighter, proper assembly torques became increasingly critical to both their safety and their longevity. Under torque fasteners can lead to dangerous slipping of components like bars, stems, and seat posts, while a single over torque can permanently damage or destroy a component costing hundreds of dollars. Over the years, torque tools have become ever more available, but these tools are large, heavy, and too expensive to carry on the road. Meanwhile, our experience has shown that 70% of all fastener and component damage occurs when making adjustments on the road. Speaking with friends in other sporting industries, we've learned the same is true for damage to climbing, mountaineering, golf, and even hunting and fishing gear. The solution for lightweight portable torque is called TiTorque, a 5% accurate titanium torsion beam, calibrated with 2, 4, 6, and 8 Nm easy read scale. Simply insert the bit required by your fastener and tighten until the arrow aligns with the desired torque value. It's that easy. TiTorque even allows for fast and easy step torquing of multi-fastener features such as stem face plates, which up until now have only been possible either with digital torque wrenches costing hundreds of dollars or by using multiple click-type torque tools, the sum of which also cost hundreds of dollars. One of the most critical aspects of proper torque control is position of the tool during the tightening. After looking at all possible options for using the TiTorque, we couldn't decide between our two favorite designs, a ratchet or a T-handle. So we decided to do both. The T-ratchet is the first ratcheting T-handle that magnetically transforms into the world's most ergonomic mini-ratchet. The T-handle allows for fast turning during early installation and tightening to lower torque settings. In less than a second, the T-handle turns into a higher torque-capable ratchet with stabilizing thumb control. By adding a thumb stabilization point on the ratchet, the user maintains tool position much more accurately, eliminating rounded or damaged screw heads so common on traditional mini and multi-tools. We even developed our own forged hardened steel 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism, which has up to twice the engagement points of other small ratchets, making it significantly more effective in tight spaces with limited access. If you're like us, you love and trust your gear as much as you love the adventure it allows. Together, we can better optimize and protect your gear. Please become a backer and help us build tools that are beautiful, lightweight, amazing to use, and also improve the safety and longevity of all your high-performance gear.
Number 4.
Hi, my name is Tony Zentil. I'm from Laguna Beach, California. I have a bike tool called the Wheelie Wrench. It's 16 tools in one, and it's also one of the most compact tools on the market. You got all your metric hex bit sizes, torques, and of course slotted in Phillips. There's spoke wrenches, you got a tire lever, a couple box wrenches. There's also a 15mm open-ended wrench, which is great for most BMX axles. Mike Hucker is a top pro BMX rider. He's pretty tough on his bike and he's back in the Wheelie Wrench. Hucker totally sends it. Look at how nice the Wheelie Wrench fits in his 5-pocket pants, and check out this belt that the tool fits in, and also take a look at what it does. What I'm looking for with this Kickstarter campaign is to pay off my tooling costs. So what you can do to help me is to buy a tool. Be sure to visit the website fixmfg.com. You can also connect to my social media there. Thanks for checking me out.